SMR Holdings is one of the leading developers of premium projects in Bengaluru and Hyderabad. SMR has successfully delivered 7.5 million square feet of built-up area since its inception and has another 7 million square feet in various stages of construction. SMR Holdings have built gated communities, luxury villas, commercial complexes and multiplexes across Bengaluru and Hyderabad in the last 30 years. SMR is privileged to be a part of Bengaluru's growth over the years, having developed more than 20 properties across the city. We have in-house architectural, structural, PMC and execution teams. We have our own set of ready-mix concrete plants, block manufacturing units, etc. And we procure only the raw materials and end products are manufactured at site. The Garden City of India has been one of India's most loved cities over the years. The city's foremost advantage is its pleasant climate. It is also one of the safest cities to live in India. Bengaluru today is a truly cosmopolitan city, attracting a great influx of investments and interests from across the world.
Buying a house in Bangalore is a big challenge in itself. There are so many apartment complexes, there are so many builders, and the big thing is this, the reputation and the trust which builder can give. Looking around Whitefield area, there were many projects and we came across this builder called SMR. And then we looked around and we found out that SMR is one of the big builder in Hyderabad. And they have done lots of projects around Bangalore. We went around and checked their past projects. We were really impressed. What really impressed us most was that whatever they have promised, they have really delivered. This is a really nice project and we really look forward to buy our second property with SMR itself.
SMR is pleased to introduce its latest offering, SMR Vinay Estella. Spread over 5 acres of site area, this exclusive gated community is a fine blend of style and substance. It is shaping up in Singapura, MS Palya, close to some of the landmark shopping malls, educational institutions and healthcare centers. Not just that, the SMR Vinay Estella enjoys a great locational advantage. With the IT park in the vicinity, with the iconic Apple making its foray in the neighborhood. Drive in through the grand entrance of SMR Vinay Estella. And you'll see contemporary home blocks, marvelously laid out with more than ample space between each of them. The 2 and 3 BHK homes community is designed to offer privileged living to its residents, standing tall amidst the lush environs. They are a complement to stateliness. The spacious corridor welcomes you to your splendid home. As you enter, the sparkling walls and attractive flooring greet you to pristine pleasures of privileged living. All the apartments offer abundant natural ventilation so that your home is full of life. The elegantly designed and intricately crafted Vastu-compliant homes give you a unique blend of comfort and luxury. Each and every corner of the home is designed, keeping you in mind.
far as I'm concerned, I was particular about the way my kitchen looked. So I'm happy, I'm glad about the fact that I was able to make it the way I wanted as to my liking. So the builders were quite flexible about the way I wanted to redesign it and get it the way I liked it, basically.
Your definition of peace changes the moment you step out. The community offers abundant breathing open space for you to stretch out and soak in the fragrant and serene atmosphere.
హైదరాబాద్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళం ఇండిపెండెంట్ హౌస్లో. ఫస్ట్ నేను కొంచెం ఫీల్ అయ్యాను, ఎందుకంటే ఇండిపెండెంట్ హౌస్లో ఉండి ఫ్లాట్స్లో ఉండడం అంటే కొంచెం ఎలా ఉంటుందా అని చెప్పేసి. కానీ ఎమ్యూనిటీస్ తోటి మాత్రం నేను చాలా బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ముందర ముఖ్యంగా మా మనవరాల్ని వాకింగ్కి నాతో పాటు వాకింగ్ తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి కూడా కొద్దిగా మెయిన్ రోడ్డు మీద నుంచినే వాకింగ్ తీసుకెళ్ళాలంటే చంటి పిల్లలతో చాలా కష్టం ఆ వయసు వాళ్ళకి. తర్వాత ఈ ఎమ్యూనిటీస్లో బెస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే గుడి ఒకటి కట్టారు. గుడి ఒకటి ఉండడం మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఎవ్రీ ఫ్రైడే ట్యూస్డే అక్కడ మా వయసు వాళ్ళందరం కొంచెం గ్యాదర్ అవుతాం, చిన్నపిల్లలు కూడా వస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఎమ్యూనిటీస్ ఉండడం మాత్రం ఇండిపెండెంట్ హౌస్ కంటే కూడా కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉందనిపిస్తుంది నాకైతే.
Our exclusive dedicated clubhouse offers a range of entertainment options to choose from. Gym, indoor games, squash court and party hall, etc. Power backup, high security.
The reason we bought SMR Endeavour was, one reason was location. The kind of profession I am in, it involves a lot of traveling, and all my clients were located in Whitefield. So one reason was location. Second reason was Phoenix was coming nearby. So that was one thing which gave me a boost to buy the property, because Phoenix nearby would have given a good appreciation to the property. That's what we thought. And the third reason is that the amenities provided by the builder was really good. The tennis court, the badminton court, swimming pool, all those were there. So that was another factor which made me buy the property.
To suit your privileged lifestyle, plunge into the cool swimming pool to rejuvenate your senses. The outdoor sports area like tennis court, basketball court is a perfect place to ooze out the stress from your body. Another most important feature of SMR Vinay Estella is Bus Bay, which is exclusive for their residents. The kids have a place of their own here, a tot lot where they can indulge themselves.
And I live in an apartment called SMR Vinay Galaxy, and SMR Vinay Galaxy is a very big apartment. You have at least more than 4 parks or 5 parks. So if you're alone, like you don't have friends to play with, you can just go to any park and just start playing over there. Swings, slides, those things, you have everything in this. You even have a badminton court, and I go to badminton coaching also. So, and I have my own room, and the window in my room, the sun's light straight comes to my room. And so in the morning till the afternoon, I seriously don't have to use my tube light or something. So I can just keep a textbook or something and start writing without using the artificial light. So it's awesome to live in big time of apartment.
Every moment you live at SMR Vinay Estella, you are sure to experience something special. Which is why we call this project your dream venture, because you live in a world decked up with modern luxury and great community. Come, live in the privileged lifestyle home. SMR Vinay Estella.